Morning everybody. Most important task, first coffee of the day. Well, it's early again. It's early because no one's mad enough to be here, so I can film, without reservation, and it gets the job done, so I've got the rest of the day to edit. So yeah, jobs today. Well, we're going to go and have a look at how the runner beans are doing, and we're going to look at how the sweet corn are doing. I think I can see one that looks like it's been a bit munched, but from here. I've got a weeding. Weed the potato bed for definite, and a bit of watering as well, because it was quite really sunny yesterday, it was lovely. And weed this bed that has the pomegranate and the rhubarb in. And I've got cauliflower to plant and netting sort of, to go over. So yeah, good morning. It's not as early as yesterday, so that's good. Right, let's get cracking. See you in a bit. I thought that was munched. It's just a weeny little thing. So they're okay. That's fantastic. The runner beans look all right. In fact, they look like they're growing more. That's one of the original ones, so that's a bit sad. I think I might have one at home that I nearly rejected, so I might actually bring that here. It was half munched, whereas it looks a lot better than that one. Yeah. And that's an original one, but it's growing, and the leaf beet looks. Although there's gaps, which is where I think it hasn't germinated, obviously. My onions don't look happy. It's something that's munched them, but I'm not sure if these look worse, actually, to be fair. What could be munching them? Because it's been dry. I don't know. Garlic's growing a little bit more, which is great. I did water yesterday, so that's good. Right. And I do need to plant this lemon tree. And in fact, because it's a little one, it's not going to be huge. So I reckon once I've weeded that area here, although this gets big actually. Yeah, I'm going to have to rethink that. Okay. Right, let's get to what bed are we going to have for the cauliflower. I'm thinking this bed, but I need to get rid of this grass first. So that's the first job. Right, I'm just going to water the cauliflower, and then we're going to try and build a structure to go over them. I've got what do they call it? Insect mesh type stuff. Let's have a look. I was using it as a knee pad. Insect mesh type thing. Scissors. This is probably going to be too big, but I can cut it. I think that's, hopefully it should, yeah. Oh, there's loads there. Jeez, all. Right, okay. Where's those scissors? Let's get these bamboo freed. Just put the rubbish in the basket. Wait. Right. I might just put two in the middle. I have 2 tennis balls, but I do need to get 2 old tennis balls. I do need to, in fact, actually I've seen people use upside down plastic bottles That'll probably do the job. When I come back tomorrow, I'll put them on. Where's those tennis balls? What bag have I put them in? All right, back in the tick. Huh? Should I put them in there? Oh, I think I've left them at home. Oh no, I haven't. Oh, thank God for that. Phew. Let's hope this works. Where's the ball? Let's get the ball. I need to get Rosie some replacements because these are hers. Oi. So, yeah. Does it have a hole in it already? I can't feel one. Oh, Jesus. Health and safety. Need my glasses on for this, actually. Oh, yeah. There we go. Hole created. And the same on the other side. There's a hole in this already. Yeah, got to get some tennis balls for Rosie. Having nicked hers. They are rolled though, to be fair, but then as long as you could, you know, she doesn't care. Chuck it, she'll run for it, even if it's battered old ball. That doesn't look too sad, does it? For starters, I mean, will it hold? That's the question, I suppose. Technically, I could do something across, but they're not long enough. And this, I've got some bricks ready to weigh it down because this is far too long, but I'm not sure. Should we just start on one side? Oh, looks like a wedding veil, doesn't it? Right, weigh down one side, then I can cut the other. Fits right. Right, yeah, let's do that side. 2 bricks. I mean, under there for stars. Yeah, let's cut the other end because we know what we're dealing with now. Oops, bending those. Right. Come on, they're going to cut. Does it tear then? Oh, for God's sake. Nope. Scissors. I need just normal scissors. Don't think these quite do it. Right, I'll be here for a while, so to conserve the battery, I'm going to turn you off. Right, I'm pretty pleased with that. There are things I need to do. I need to get some sort of bottle protection, I think to stop it from tearing essentially, for these other ones. So I'll do that for tomorrow, sort of recycle stuff that I've got at home. But it looks good. Proper little tent, and I've watered them again just to give them a second. And there's you see my label, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, right, weeding the potato beds next. So I do need to add a bit more soil, and it sort of starts here. Well, that's the first potato, so if I weed all of that going down, it seems to be worst here for weeding. Excuse me. It's really warm, and it's only 7:23 in the morning. Whew. Right, let's crack on. Get my gloves on. Get these beds cleared. Need to think where the pumpkin's going to go. That's where I need to. I could develop that side, get a bed there for it. Try and give her a little water. See that one in the middle, that shouldn't be there. That shouldn't be there as well. It's presumably, that is a potato, it looks like one. I don't know, maybe it isn't. Actually, well, we'll wait and see. These haven't emerged yet, but I think oh yeah, there's one. I think that's the last one, just in case. I'm not 100% sure. Right, water the lettuce. I'm nearly done for the day. Gonna have a coffee before I go though. Water the leaf beet. What's left of it, and I have to do a new fresh sowing, I think. Well, I need to do quite a few sowings to be fair, especially in between crops. Be a good idea to grow some lettuce amongst this sweet corn, and the beetroot amongst the potatoes as well. I think that would be a good idea. What else do I need to water? Oh, the pomegranate. This is the bed. I think I'm going to sort this out tomorrow. I was thinking of doing it today, but I think tomorrow. Clear the weeds, put cardboard down around it, and then that area there, start to clear it, because maybe I think the rhubarb could go there, out of the way of the pomegranate. There's a lot of weeds in this bed, so and this is all spring onions here. They need, well, I could thin them tomorrow actually, eat them in our dinner. I've kind of cleared away the root of that. It was quite deep. I'll just give the last bit of water to the plum tree. I'd already given it a little bit of a water earlier on, but when I cleared it, it still might need, I don't know. I think that's okay. So they're newly in, they need to be watered, don't they? Right, let's go and have a coffee. Warm. Right, no sign of the robin today, which is a shame, but hopefully he'll come, he or she. Actually, does anyone know that? What are female robins? What do they look like? Do they look the same as the male robins? I don't know. It's a Google question, I suppose. But if any of you know, let me know in the comments. Yeah, so that's good. Cauliflowers are in. So everything's watered. I've weeded the potato bed. I've decided where the lemon tree's going to go. In fact, there's a section just past the potato bed, which I'll just put it in there. This bed here is going to be the cucumber bed. And the seedlings are growing fine at home. I've got to decide where the pumpkin goes. But I need to stretch out these beds, I need to sort out the edges. Let's just listen to the bird song for a minute. Beautiful. Right, everybody, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Cheers. It's empty. Need some more.